everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, Thobile Makhumalo Mselegu has proved to be many people's favorite, more especially after leya drama between yena kanye nomamkhulu Macele nomayeni ngelanga lomembeso. Today guys, Makhumalo posted a picture of herself and Umpilo, and she said, "We don't share genes, but we do share style, and we're setting it just like our outfit, we make sense together." And her followers reprimanded her bethi ama-jeans wenza lawa khuluma ngawo. The most important thing is the connection and relationship they have together. Usiphokazi uthe she even look like you, as if she is your biological daughter. You both look gorgeous. And ufane what, we don't care about genes, it's the heart and connection you have for each other. To us, you are a mother and daughter. Then which I mean what, blood makes us related, kodwa love makes us family. That's your daughter, okunye nokunye we don't care. And guys, yeah, I think uMakhumalo is bothered kakhulu ngabantu laba who always reminds her ukuthi akasiyena umama kaMpilo. uMakhumalo guys started mothering uMpilo when she was only 5 years of age. She is now doing her 3rd year at university, and Umpilo is very grateful for everything that Makhumalo did for her. The blood, they say blood is thicker than water, but sometimes it's not the case. That brings us to the end of this video guys. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.